Hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about BTC. So if you guys are new in this channel guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. You get some freely timely updates on BTC. So my members were asking me that what's the next plan and what we are going to have on BTC. I shared them this on a 4-hour time frame, and if I show you something like this, you guys can exactly see this, that we took this low, right? So this is what you get in the timely updates. And in the meantime, a few days back I showed this Bitcoin dominance chart, and let me show you a few of the other stuff as well. Yesterday I shared this on LTC. Weekly time frame, double the bottom is forming on LTC around $116. I told them it can pump to the upside from here, and if I show you LTC pumped from $116 to $130, it's up almost like 14% from yesterday. This is how we are trading, and I hope it makes sense for you guys. So a few days back, about BTC dominance, I shared this chart, the symmetrical triangle. Either it can break to the downside or to the upside. Yesterday it broke to the downside, now it's doing a bearish retest. That's why today and yesterday they had some sort of a thing that they performed very well. Some of the alts performed really well. So let's talk about different stuff right now. BTC, this is one channel, this is another channel, and this is a resistance channel. One thing, layers after layers. Right now we are trading within this channel, and there is another channel, this channel, right? This channel. So these are a few of the things that you guys need to understand right now. Few days back when we were trading right here, I told you guys maybe we can test these lows, maybe this area or this area I will be interested in. They did not give me any trigger, and they pumped and swept the lows, and the price went to the upside. Now let's zoom in and let's understand few of the very important stuff. Let's get to the daily time frame. So you guys can exactly see this right here. This is the daily order block, and each of the time we are look at this rejection, nothing, rejection, another rejection coming out of this zone. And do you see this wick? In some period of time I showed you this like from few days, and this is the 50% retracement of the wick. Yesterday it got a rejection, again we got a rejection out of this zone. So this is what we are doing right now. This is a bearish order block, and nothing is breaking this bearish order block. More liquid, like more test of the resistance means there is a weakness, and at some point we can break it to the upside. But more failures also think that maybe we can test the lows as well. So it's very simple. Let's get on the smaller time frame so we will understand what's basically happening. On the smaller time frame, if I show you something, let me remove every single thing. On the smaller time frame, I shared this with my members. This is the low. So this low was taken. I told my members this low will be taken, and right now you guys can exactly see this low is also taken out. Right now if I share this, you guys can exactly see this where the resistance is. Now let's get into a smaller time frame, even further smaller time frame, and in this smaller time frame we can identify one thing, that this is the low, this is the low. Now the lows are already taken out right here. The lows and the highs are taken out. There is no has such liquidity left. Maybe if it holds, then the price can push the price to the upside, at least to this zone, that is 98k zone. This would be our next resistance zone, one thing. While the other thing for me, which is more good, if it happens that from this swing low we push the price to this high and then we retest these lows, that is, let me give you something, and we retest these lows, that is from 96k all the way up to 95.5k. If we get back to this zone would be a good idea if we retest this zone, because this liquidity is also taken out, and we are not forming some sort of a good reversal impulse right here to get into some long position. So for me, a good retest back to this zone and a good reaction from here would be a good long, maybe a small scalp long, lows below, SL below this, and then target again this low, this high or this high.